And hopefully we're recording now. So now we've got internet there, you know, a proper one, no offense, and all that. I can't see though. Can I still? Oh, I got to go view, request remote control. There you go. I'm requesting remote control. If you can give me that, excellent. I'm controlling screen one. I'm going to go new tab. I'm looking for a web browser. Well, that'll do up there. So right there. So I'm going to type in HTTPS colon slash slash think market www. This is just the, you know, the link I use to install the, what you call it, the platforms slash think trader slash think sorry, trader dash for dash desktop. Boom. That should take us to exactly where I want to be, I would hope. I've hit enter. Is it look like it's can't be reached? Thinkmarkets.com, EN trading platforms, ThinkTrader, reload. No, okay, well give me a search engine. If this one, I can't see where your search engine is. I don't have a toolbar on the bottom of this. So can I cheat and ask it for one? Is there a way of asking it for a what you call it? A search engine? Can you get me onto a search engine? You have a lot of tabs open and you know, like it doesn't have to be Google, just anything sensible. Can you hear me? I don't think you can hear me, can you?
Okay. Muting this one.
Can you hear me looking for a search engine from you? Any internet browser kind of thing. I can see a toolbar at the bottom now. I could take over again. Can I just take over? I'm having that. See that
Yeah.
Microsoft Edge? I'll have that. That'll do. Microsoft Edge. Don't need that bit. I just want a new tab, and I'm gonna go Think Trader. Yeah, that's what we want. There was a desktop version there already. Get rid of you. Scroll down. Trading platforms. Web desktop there. Oops, not find out more. It was actually just install it. There it is. Download for Windows. We click on that. And you should see there the setup.exe. Okay, I want to open the file. There you go. We're going to say install. See, I think everyone who was trying to install this was going a kind of a bridge too far, if you know what I mean. And you don't, where you guys got to, you don't need to go that far. Yo, we're nearly halfway there. Excuse me. And there we go. And there it is. Now what we do, you see what you've got there, there's a sign up for free. So we click on that. Okay. You can type in your email for me. You know what it is. That's it. Brilliant. Now, this password that you're going to put in, nobody will see it. It'll just appear as dots. So type in a password that you want. Now, it doesn't normally show country there at the bottom, but it is. We'll see. Hit another one. Same password, repeat the password. Cool. And in country, seeing as it's looking for one, put Ireland. That's the one I live in. And say submit. Now, brilliant. Say OK. Just click on OK there, or I'll click on OK there. That's it. Brilliant. Now, you see there where it says save password and you're all done. If you click on log in, it will just log you in. That's as much as you need do. You see, click on log in and there you go. You are connecting. It is going to open up and you do have access then to ThinkTrader regardless of where you live. No VPN, VPS, anything really, no nonsense whatsoever. We'll see it all open and I'll end the recording. I'll drop it on YouTube. There it is. Now the setup is up to you. I'm going to let you set it up for yourself. You might need to go onto YouTube to sort it, but there's plenty on there. There's a demo account balance. You see at the top right hand corner, I'm going to say close there, you've got toggle views where it's blue. If I click on the one for the bottom, there's the demo stuff gone. You don't need that, but you can bring it back, take it away. The quotes panel, you can take it away, bring it back. Add markets by hitting the plus button over there, and then you can, if you want cryptos in there, you can put your Bitcoin in, you can put your Forex in, Aussie dollar, you put your indices in. I let you do this all yourself. There's the DAX, you can add the Dow, but once you've finished adding them all, you can then arrange them however you want. If you don't want these few at the top, you can highlight it and hit this minus button and they're gone. See, highlight it, gone, highlight it, gone. And that's it. It's nice and easy. You've got, as you see, if you hit the plus button, you can have as many as 10 windows across the top. If you X, it goes, obviously every time you open a new one it becomes euro dollar 1 hour. There's a couple of things that are different over here. Where is it? You've got a settings bar that I can't see, and it's show menu. There it is. That's no. That one. You see that cogwheel there? I was looking for that one. And also this cogwheel lets you in to change the background if you want to. You see? But I'm going to let you play with that now. Are you happy enough with that?
I'm happy.
Brilliant. Okay, I'll end the recording and I'll drop it on YouTube and drop it for the guys. You see, you can have it wherever you live. Thanks very much, Gwen. I appreciate your help. Cheers. Bye-bye.